fit, don't worry about the fit, we will get it in your size. Given brooch effect with a handwork. Own handwork but with French knots, kardana, ratio. It's a mint blue color, cost you around 6.5. Even if it is like if it is under the budget for a client, it is not like that ki it is under the budget, we should not take care of it, all of it, and we are not like that. Nice lilac color outfit. It has a metal button. We have whole hand worked on the kurta.
That's the advantage of getting it from a professional designer. They won't like compromise on the fitting like
Correct.
by using less fabric or something.
And it
We use versatile because
yes,
you can use the kurta
yes,
itself also for
100%.
like
And it has been given a ombre effect.
nice. Just for the retail thing, the chest size is different, the stomach size that doesn't fit them.
You want a two-piece suit and work tuxedo, three-piece suit, casual shirt, you're going for a vacation, you want a designer kurta, that will be done.
So hello friends, welcome to Market Hunt. So today we are bringing you a new series. It is a designer series. So there are a lot of good talented designers in Pune. So we will be bringing you a designer series. So in which we will be presenting you with lot of different designers from Pune. So today we are at Pitasha. This label is run by designer Moksha. So she is a very talented designer. So the location for the store is Market Yard near Hyde Park. So here you can get affordable customized outfits, very premium fabrics, unique designs, exclusive styling, custom made to order and tailored fitting outfits for your taste. So the specialty of the designer is that so she will suggest you outfits that is in your budget. Whatever you have budget, you can tell her, and according to that you can suggest her what look you want. She will also suggest you according to your age, skin color, according to your body structure, what will look good for you, and she can do that for you. She does specializes in both men and women wear. For men's also, it is like you can get for weddings, sherwanis and suits and blazers for formal looks, and also for casual outings you can get shirts and trousers, linen pants also. So whatever the designer outfits are there, so you can wear these designer outfits for occasions like brunch, high tea. It can be a sundown party, date nights, or any birthday events. So you can do tuning also, like a mother daughter combo or father son combo, or just a couple tuning also you can do. These are the kind of customization and outfits she does. So let's hop in and meet the designer.
Now, as we were talking about all the women outfits, and most of the people might not be knowing that we also customize for men as well. So when it comes to men's customization, most of the people are thinking like, why men customization is there in this studio? Like most of the people are like, men's usually go for ready-mades. They don't think too much about the things. But I would like to say that the importance that we given to the women outfits, we should give to the men's as well. Every man has the right to go for some customization, some of the fits, because they have very less things that they wear, they have very less things that they come in their minds. More if you will compare for with women, there is like a lot of things that women will think a lot, like color, the fit, this. But men are very sorted in those things, but they also want something which is very unique from the normal things. So I would say ki people nowadays are going into that customization as well. Most of the men are going for the regular fits, that they are like ki we want to enhance our body, our personality, because there is a lot of things which are like ki which can be conveyed through clothing. So I would suggest like they should also come and get customized, and most of the clients are connected with us who get customized formals, who get customized shirts, who get customized trousers, because those are the fits that they have to wear it for a longer time, and that should be very nicely been done, and they can be worn for a longer time as well. They should stay for a longer time, I would say.
Yeah, because it is customized, it will be better fitting and more comfortable to wear throughout the day, something like that. And what you said about the wedding collection or the like festive collection, that also what happens with mostly men is like they will buy 2 to 3 kurtas they will wear that the same thing in
Yeah,
some of the
in
festivals,
the
Diwali
past
and all.
things, what is was
Yeah,
happening, like, they used to go to the store, they used to pick up some normal, basic colors which comes in the festive colors,
yeah,
I would
which
say.
they can
They'll
wear
just
it.
pick up and they'll just wear it. But nowadays, every woman want that their husband, their brother,
To
their
look
father, they wants to get a customized thing so that they can also look nice in the family. So nowadays, people are also having that thing, ki, no, I want to get look really nice than others. If it is my wedding, if it is my friend's wedding, I want to look good in that. So I would say customization is the most preferably priority for the people nowadays. So we have included all of those things in our men's section as well. Like we customize shirt, trousers, formals, blazers, suits, wedding collections, whole of the things, any of the things you will say, it will be done in Pitasha. You will say tuxedo, I want to get a handwork tuxedo, it will be done. You want a two-piece suit, it will be done. You want a three-piece suit, it will be done. You just want a casual shirt, you're going for a vacation, that will be done. You want a designer kurta and a pajama, that will also be done in Pitasha. So we are all open for the men as well.
Definitely. If a groom gang wants to wear something similar, and they can do like that also, like
Yeah, they
all
can do
all
in.
friends
Yeah,
could.
yeah, yeah. We can get the fabric for all of those. It should not be like ki kisi like somebody is getting some other print, somebody is getting some other. No, we'll get the
Yeah,
same print for all
so
of
all
them,
the
and
groom
they'll
gang
be
can
rocking in the wedding as well.
look alike also for
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
wedding. Yeah,
100%.
nice. So what will be showing first?
Yeah, so we'll start with the shirts, designer shirts. So
Okay.
nowadays, like it has been, we are going to the summers and some hot things are going in. So we'll show you some of the things which we have designed for the men. So
Yeah,
this is a very nice, cool shirt.
yeah, very breathable fabric. Yeah.
Yes, it's a pure linen. So we have blended two things in this. We have one plain linen and we have a printed linen with it.
Oh, nice.
Yes. So usually what we see is when we go for some, a retail store, we'll see a plain linen shirt. We'll not see some designs over it. If you're going for a vacation, you need something very different,
Yeah,
right?
linens do usually come in solids only.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And if you want to make your personality look really nice, better way, so I would suggest you to go for something like this. In this as well, we have different colors, different patterns. If you want to be like, I don't want this print on this side, I don't want this print on this side, I want just the printed thing over here, we can customize it all.
Yeah, nice.
Yes,
And
on the
nice
back
Chinese
as well, we
collar
have the
also.
same thing.
Yeah,
And this will cost around 4,000 because it is made with pure
pure
linen.
linen. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
So we have different designs in this. I'll show you one by one. You'll see it's a mint blue color with a printed one. We have balanced it with a print which is similar to the color itself. We have taken a monochrome color so that it should not be like men are very simple, I think. So they don't want very
Any
contrast.
contrasty,
They
yeah,
don't like very contrast. They are
definitely.
very simple and sober ones. So we have given the same effect on the back as well. There is one more in this. So if you might have heard about the Wrangler sleeves, so these are the Wrangler sleeves, but we have modified again. We have taken the armholes in this armhole cut.
Okay,
So
nice.
yeah, so we have taken the cuffs as well over here, so it should give a really nice look to the men.
Very nice pastel colors also.
Yeah,
Like,
pastel green. If you can see, it's a pastel sea green color. On the back, it's the same. So it should not be like plain on from the back, and from the front you can design something.
shirts all similar range.
Yeah, almost similar range if you're going for the linen one. Now we are going for the kurtas. So it's a most probably it has been said like when you see yellow, you go for haldi. So most probably if you go for this, you can wear it in Diwali, you can wear it in Raksha Bandhan, you can wear it for wedding occasions because nowadays if you'll see there are some themes coming out of for the wedding. So you can go for any of the things and most probably we have the fabric available in the store. It's a chanderi, it's a beautiful chanderi fabric if you'll see. It's very breathable, it has its own shine, it has been made with zari.
Nice.
Yeah, so the fit, don't worry about the fit, we will get it in your size. So you just have to come, you have to get the sizes and it will be done by ourselves.
Yeah, the fitting is a very big issue for men's because like women's designers they do understand what happens with men's is like when they go to stitch like once in a time they go for the bridal function or something, that time it's the first time when they go and get something stitched and they don't know like what kind of fitting they want, and it usually happens is like every time it happens like something a tight or something very loose and the fitting has to be redone again. So this happens a lot with men.
Correct. So most of like by this question, I'll answer it in this way. Like I have got a degree in fashion. So there was not only for women, there was also for the men's. So we were used to those things ki what kind of men's body will suit what kind of silhouettes, what kind of fittings they should be getting, because women's shoulder, men's shoulder are different, women waistline, men's waistline are different.
Yeah, the
So it
loosening
depends,
and the
yeah, because
move.
it differs from the comfortness of a man and a woman as well. So we have to get it stitched, and we have the expert master G's and all that stuff. We have our own team so that they can also understand the things what they are going to convey or say, all of the specific things that I want pockets, I don't want pockets, I want the cuffs, I don't want the cuffs. So those are the things, small things, which we also write it down in a note, and we just keep it in mind and give all those things designed.
Definitely. What would something like this cost?
This will cost you around 6.5, only the kurta.
Okay,
Yes.
nice,
And it has been made with lining and it.
great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now this is a pure linen plain kurta. So if you'll see, it was a white in color. We have dyed it in a pastel green color. So if you'll see, if you want to attend a mehndi function for a friend's wedding, if you want to don't go for like very louder color like in a green mehndi green color, loudy prints and all that stuff, you can go for a subtle one. You will get a really nice vibes in this things.
Yeah,
If you're going for a summer weddings, you should pick linens for that.
great.
Yeah. So we have the similar pants as well for this. So I'll show you. Nowadays we are going for the monochrome tops and bottoms for the men's as well. So it will be comfortable. It's half elastic, half belt. So it should not be a like
Yeah, being designed also, I think that it doesn't have to be just the groom's friends and just the groom, the parents and like the father, the uncles,
any of the
those
men can
people
just get
also
it
can get
designed.
designer wears like for the special occasion for the loved ones.
100%. Now we are going to introduce a beautiful piece. So if you'll see, we have whole
Nice, very
handworked
elegant.
on the
Yeah,
kurta.
great.
We have a single French knot every ends you can see on the design.
Nice.
Yeah. And we have a beautiful kurta patti been done over here. It has a really nice zardozi and the resham work which has been made, because most of the men don't like loud designs. So we have to go for a subtle one. Yeah, it's on the sleeves as well.
Nice, nice color also lavender. Yeah.
If you'll see, the kurta fabric was like this. It was without the work. It was just with a made with a zari.
Yeah, I can see the fitting also. What happens is if we get it from like stitch from somewhere else, what they do is just for cost cutting, they do the fitting very badly.
Yes.
So that's the advantage of getting it from a professional designer. They won't like compromise on the fitting like
Correct.
by using less fabric or something
100%.
just
Will
to save cost.
100% will take care of all of the things, because once we receive the order, it's our duty to make all of the things very beautiful. Even if it is like ki, if it is under the budget for a client, it is not like that ki it is under the budget, we should not take care of it, all of it. And we are not like that. We should be like ki we should give 101% in what things we are going to do on it.
Okay, so is it like if some client like if some client has to like make a kurta and he has like a budget of like 3,000 or 5,000 if he says, and he'll get a design like reference for you, is it possible something like that
Yeah,
to do?
again, it depends on the designs what he's going to make me show.
Suggest
Like,
to you. Okay.
yeah, again, it's on the reference photo what he's going to show me.
Okay.
Because most of the times, what they think, if I'm going to show the Sabyasachi's photo, like, I want to get this
Yeah,
kurta or
that kind of
this
design
outfit
and
been
work.
made.
Yeah.
So
Mhm.
it fit, if it is like it is not being done under the 10K, and if you want it under 8K, it is not possible for us to, because we also have some designing process, we have the team, we have to see all of after that as well. So which is possible for us, we'll do it 100%. Which is not,
You
we'll
can
have to tell
suggest
that you have to
alternatives.
just pick up your budget slightly so that we can make it for you.
Yeah. Or you can just suggest some. Do you suggest some alternative fabrics or like
Yes,
to?
100%,
Okay.
100%.
Yeah.
We have to suggest them, because we want the client to come in and get the orders been done. Because once the client enters the studio, we want them to be the part of the family.
Yeah.
We just don't want ki koi bhi, like anybody comes in and they are like ki they just want to see, they are like ki, okay theek hai, you just watch it, you can go. We are not interested, we are not like that. We love to make the family bigger and bigger and bigger.
Great, that's great. Yeah.
Yeah.
How much something like this would cost?
This will go around 7.5
Okay.
with the handwork, only kurta.
Okay, nice.
Yes. So here is a kurta made for men's. It's a Lucknowi fabric. If you can see, it has a really nice fall.
Nice.
Yeah, and it has been given a ombre effect.
Yeah, nice fade.
It is starting from grey going till end to the black.
Yeah.
Because most of the men, if you'll see, they love black color. When it comes to kurta as well, they'll pick it lesser, but if they'll see it's a designable, they will 100% pick it up.
This is definitely very unique because you will get
Ye-
very like there's a chance to get a solid or like two color, but like
Yes.
ombre color with like fading thing,
Yeah, mostly
it's
yes.
very difficult to get. That's
Yes.
why you have to get a designer.
And
wear.
if you'll
Yeah.
see the fabric also, it has a sequence detailing into it.
Nice. It
Yeah.
has got a nice shine to it also.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah. And it's not only in the front, it is in the back as well.
Great.
So this kurta will cost around 4.4.
Nice.
So now we are showcasing the Modi jacket. Some of them say Nehru jacket, some of them say Modi jacket, some of them say Westline jackets. So it is a very nice concept for all of the ages, I would say. If you're going to get it twin for 1 year child or anything, we have done it before as well for the clients, and it looks very nice.
Yeah, like a father
Very
and
nice,
son
very
twinning,
subtle
yeah.
and very nice. And nowadays, if you'll see, you can wear this in multiple ways. Like you can wear this bandi jacket with a shirt and a trouser. It looks
Okay,
nice.
yeah.
If it is not so close in your like to the weddings and you want to attend it, so you can wear a bandi with a shirt and you can go for a wedding. It's a knee length kurta, and if you'll see the fabric of the kurta, it's really nice. It's a glaze cotton fabric. It had its own shine.
Nice.
Yeah, and again, this was white. We have made it dyed in similar color so that it should not be very contrasting. It should not go pure white with a cream color of bandi jacket.
Great.
Yes. So this will cost you around 7.5 with the pants.
Okay.
Yeah. It has a metal buttons. If you can see closer.
Nice.
Yeah. And one more thing I would like to add on. If you can see the collar, we have did some work. It's a pitta work. If you can see these cross lines, these are
Yeah.
all the pitta works and the pearl work we have used according to the design which has been made on the bandi jacket.
Great.
Now this is a very nice and wedding wear, I would say, for the age of like 45, 50, or who is like elder in the house and he wants not so much of colors in his outfit. Because most of the time, if you'll see, the elder ones, they are like mostly attracted to the white, creams, this kind of color. So I would like to suggest them this kind of outfits because they are very comfortable in kurtas, they are very comfortable in this Modi jackets, because they don't have to, like, they have their movement as well, because they
Yeah.
can't get stuck in suits and all that stuff. So
And
it's
they
better
feel
to get,
comfortable
yeah,
with the color and the
yes,
outfit also
outfit
because
as
it's
well.
familiar
Yeah,
to
yeah.
them. Yeah.
Mostly. So again, if you'll see, this is a beautifully handworked tissue fabric. It's a golden tissue fabric. It has been fused and made.
Nice.
It has a beautiful buttons, and if you can see the collar, we have enhanced it slightly because most of the times, if you'll see in a retail store, you will get the similar fabric in the collar and all that stuff. So if you are looking for a designer Modi jackets and all that, you can get it customized here as well. Ki I just want minimal, more, not more like this. I want only on the brooch, only on the waistline, anything, or I want the designer buttons over here, hand worked one. So we can customize according to the preferences. And if you will see the kurta again now, it has a more beautiful chanderi fabric with a zari inserted into it in the fabric itself. So this whole cost around 8.5 with the trousers. This is again a really nice different color in yellow theme,
Yeah,
I would
different.
say.
Like
Yeah,
a
it's
bit
nearby
of
to the
mustard.
ochre. Yeah,
Ochre-ish.
mustard ochre color. If you'll see, it's a pure chanderi fabric. If you'll see, we have put it a lining inside. It's a very thin fabric and it gives a really nice fall to the kurta. And if you'll see the fabric for the bandi, it's very nice and elegant. It has its own transparent. If you'll see, it has a like see water sequence. It has been called as water sequence.
Nice.
Yeah, and we have again enhanced the collar so that it is not so loud. It is not so subtle. But has its own detailing and
For the
all.
fitting customization, like I think like for women it's like slim body they have to show. Like for men also, if they have like a stomach or so, like you can get it fitted according to that, because
Yes,
what happens is for the retail thing, the chest size is different, the stomach size that doesn't fit them.
correct.
So over here you can get
Get it
the
custom.
chest comfortable chest and comfortable for the
100%.
stomach
Like
also.
if you will see, like we have a most of the clients which have a one shoulder up, one shoulder down.
Oh,
So
okay.
that is also the issue. While
For the
people go to the
ready-made,
retail
yeah.
store and they feel like it is not fitting me, it is not looking good on me. Why is it so? So we take care of all those things which are like coming in our mind. We can see while taking the measurements.
Great.
So these are all small things which we do consider in our designings. So this will cost you around 6.8 thousand with the trousers. Now this is only the bandi. This is only the Nehru jacket, I would say. So I'll show you how is it. Now this was only the fabric. I'll show you the backside first. This was the fabric like this.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a pure Chanderi one again. We
Okay.
have fused it and make the bandi out of it. Now see the front. If
So
you'll see, it's a sadi and a pearl work
So
been
this
made.
has been added in the fabric
Yes,
for
yes,
the
yes,
front.
yes. We
Nice.
have hand worked it fully and we have made the designing out of it. If you'll see most of the women's wear, you will see the darts coming in. So we have given the same darts coming from here so that it can design and it can match the zigzag lines and it can create some structural look in the jacket. This will cost you around 8.5
Yep.
because it has been hand worked fully.
Nice.
Again, we have some
Nice.
Modi jacket and a kurta. It's a Thailand kurta, mid Thailand kurta, and a very nice multicolored jacket. So now, if you'll see, there are no buttons in the jacket because we have to match the design accordingly.
Yeah.
Because if we'll put the buttons, it will just misbalance the design for the whole outfit. So
Okay.
we just have to get like the fabric was very nice, and if you want, we have the fabric available in the store as well. We have colors as well. So if you want to get any of the things designed according to this, we can do it for you.
Nice. Does this come with like pants, kurta,
Yeah,
something?
yeah, yeah. It comes with a kurta. It comes with a pant as well. If you'll see,
Okay.
it comes with a pant, and it will cost you around 6.5 thousand.
Nice.
So now we have Jodhpuri. If you will see, and if you'll when you will visit the studio, you will actually feel the fabric, and you will get to know like it is so soft. It has been self textured.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Great feel to the fabric.
So if you'll see that, and it has a very nice buttons as well, which are matching to the Jodhpuri.
It has like self-design, like
Yes.
shine design to it also. Nice.
It has a self material pants as well. If you'll see, it's a Armani pant.
Okay.
Yeah. So this will cost you around 9.5k. So now if you'll see, this is a very nice concepts for the Sangeet, for the receptions, for siders, for grooms, for anybody who is like most likely towards like I want some zari or I want some glam coming to outward to my outfits, and it should show my personality very strongly. Because when in the evening, if you'll see for the Sangeet night, it should be some glam.
Yeah,
It should be
some
some
like
glam.
shiny
Yes,
out.
hundred
Yeah.
percent, 100%. So what we have did is we have not made a Jodhpuri, we have made a open Jodhpuri now.
Okay.
Yes, so it will be like it has a shiny material inside. If you'll see, it's a suiting material, and we have made the bandi out of it.
Nice. So this is a sleeveless bandi inside. Yeah.
Yes, because if we'll put the sleeves for both,
Okay.
so
It
most
will
of the
be.
people have that thing in mind ki why can't we get the sleeves for both and we can use it forever, like afterwards as well. So the thing is ki if we'll put the linings for both, it will be heavier on your arms, it will be
Yeah.
heavier on your sleeves, it will make it look very heavy on your sleeves,
And that
and it
can be
will not be
only.
comfortable at all. Why we give it sleeveless in the inside? Because whenever you want to make a movement,
Yeah.
why we have made this open, because whenever you have to make a moment, whenever you have to dance, you can keep your
Yeah,
hands up
that
and you can
is.
freely dance over it.
Yeah, that is the thing.
100%. This will cost you around 11.5 with the trousers.
Okay.
So now, if you might have seen, like couples right now are going to be bride and groom, and they are like going to have a really nice big weddings. But nowadays, people are more towards twinning each other's outfit so that it looks good whenever you see in the future, whenever you show
In
it
the
to your
photos,
children.
yeah.
Yeah. So it should be like it was an aesthetic wedding. It was a really nice pastel theme. It was something kind of a theme which we were into it. We were so much into love and all
Yeah.
that stuff. So they want to convey it from the outfits as well.
Yeah.
So they want to get it twin in some similar colors or similar patterns, or I would say colors mostly, because that is only the thing where it has been seen like he is the groom, she is the
Yeah, it
bride.
has to be like matching. Like people do
Yeah.
spend a lot on food and decoration, but
100%. And mostly, if you might have seen, there are a lot of people who have different concepts in twinning as well. Like if somebody is wearing, like if the groom is wearing a whole white sherwani, then a woman is wearing a red
red.
lehenga.
Yeah.
So that gives a really nice ethnic Indian look, which used to come from the past. If you might have seen in the histories, there was a really nice concept of the red lehengas in the past. So I would tell you, like we are very open for this as well. We design for grooms, we design for brides. If you want to customize or if you want to get it twinned accordingly, we want the similar colors, we can get it done.
Okay.
Yes. So now we'll see the Nawabis. So this is the Nawabi now. So it's a really nice color. It's a sea green, if you'll see. It has a self water sequence again.
I like the buttons on this too.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes. So it's a Nawabi. Nawabi is something which is like it comes near the knee length.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And it has a full sleeves. Mostly, if you'll see, it has been considered as a sherwani. But there
Okay.
is a difference in sherwani and a Nawabi. So Nawabi is above the knees and sherwani is below the knee.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nice.
so this is the difference. Most of the people are like, नहीं मुझे शेरवानी सिलवानी है, I want to get it designed in this way. So this is the difference that every person should know about it.
Okay. Great.
Yes. So this will cost around 11,500 with the bottoms. So now, as we said, like mostly, most of the people are coming with a reference like open jodhpuri, open jackets, kurtas, this and that. So we customize some of the outfits in this manner so that they can get an idea what kind of customization we also do. So this is a really nice lilac color outfit. It's a open nawabi now. It's an open nawabi with full sleeves and a full sleeves kurta. Now, if
Nice.
you'll see this, it's been done with a beautiful pintux on it. It was a plain fabric.
So this can be used versatile because you can
Yes,
use the
yes,
kurta itself
hundred
also for
percent,
like some
hundred
light
percent.
events.
And if you'll see, in addition, we have made the similar pants as well for it.
Nice matching pants.
Yeah,
Nice.
matching pants for this.
Pants is a big issue for like when you go to a retail outlet.
Correct.
There are like 2-3 options. You will have
Yes,
to
and they will
get the
mostly
same pants.
offer you cream, white,
Yeah,
golden.
golden. Yeah, only 3 options are there. Like
Correct. So whenever you will come
dhoti pants or something like those kind of pants also. Do you do suggest them?
yes,
Whatever.
100%. Like in Maharashtrian weddings, if
Yeah.
you'll see, there is like a Vidhi kind of a function where
Yeah.
they have to wear a dhoti only.
Dhotis. Yeah.
So recently we had a client. He was like randomly going for a
Passing-
designer's house,
passing,
and he
okay.
saw this studio and he came inside. He was like, I want to get some design for my Vidhi function.
Okay.
So he had something in his mind. He showed me some references, and then we discussed over it. We got it designed, and he was so happy with the thing. Like he had got a modified dhotis for his vidhi. So this will cost you around 11,500
Get it.
with the kurta pant set. So yeah, this is, I would like to make it an addition in my conversation that, as I said, ki not only men, not only women, we also make it for kids. So
Okay.
this was made for a kid. Yes. So if there's like, if you want to twin with father, or you want to twin it with your mother, or any of the fabric which is similar, you want the whole family should be wearing a similar color and a pattern. So most of the people, what they do is, when the child is small or he is like only 5 years old, so most of the designers just cut off them, because kids wear is very difficult to get it designed.
Okay.
Yes, when you'll see the stitching for the kids, we have to take care of it a lot, because
But
it should be comfortable from inside as well, from the
also,
outside
yeah.
as well. So we have to think accordingly. We have to match the kids outwear with the father or mother, whoever it might
Yeah.
be.
For
So
the
it's a very difficult task, but we do it. We are open for that as well. So yeah, this will cost around 6.5 for the kids with the trousers.
okay,
Yeah.
nice.
Now we are again having a Nawabi. I can say this is a very nice self-textured, self-designed fabric. So if somebody wants, like, I don't want handwork, or I don't want something which should be like more than a budget for me. So this is a really nice concept that they can choose over for elder ones as well. For the siders, I would say some of the people do have some simple weddings as well, so they can also go for these things. It's a very minimalistic, subtle thing, subtle nawabis. So
Yeah, the
this will cost you around 11,500 with the trousers.
nice,
So now we have the groom's outfit.
nice.
Yes, if you'll see the fabric, it was very beautiful and it was not hand worked earlier. I'll show you
Okay.
the back.
So this was the
This
fabric
was the actual
originally.
fabric. Yeah,
Okay.
it's a Lucknowi fabric.
Okay.
It was having some slightly sequence work already been done.
Okay.
So what we did is we just had some contrast colors in it, only on the buttons and the collar. So as we said, like nowadays people are going for most of the subtle things.
Nice. Yeah.
So it was been made with subtle things only, and it was like if somebody wants to get it designed with some of the colors as well, adding in this design, we can get it customized. But we felt like we should just give the designing over here with the contrast things.
Nice.
If you'll see the buttons as well, it has its own handwork buttons with French knots, kardana, resham work.
Nice.
Yeah. Even the collar has been handworked, and if you'll see on the back, it has been done like this in a V shape.
Okay. Yeah.
So this will cost you around 23,500.
Okay.
Now we are having this beautiful piece. It's a tuxedo.
Nice.
So again, I'll show you first the back piece of it. It was again a textured, if you can see in checks.
Yeah.
It was a plain textured material. It's a suiting material,
Okay.
and then we had some handwork done over it. So it can enhance in the evening look for the grooms.
Nice.
Yeah. So if you'll see the button as well, it has a really nice look. Buttons.
And the shirts also you have done with.
Yes, Pentax. If you'll see, I'll show you it. So yeah, if you'll see, we have done some handwork on this lapel as well. There's a
Nice.
nice satin lapel, and over it we have given a brooch effect with the handwork.
Yeah. Cool.
So now if you will see the inside things, so there will be a waistcoat coming like this.
Okay. Nice shirt. Yeah.
And if you'll see the shirt inside, it has been detailed with a Pintux effect.
Nice.
Yeah, so that it gives a very structured and nice, elegant look to the groove.
Yeah. Not just a plain shirt. Yeah.
Yes.
Plain white.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice black button contrast. Also.
Yes. So this tuxedo suit cost around 23.5k.
Okay.
Yep.
Nice.
There is one really beautiful piece designer shirt. This you can use as a, like, a groom can also use it as for cocktails night, or a cider who is like willing to have brother or some very close friend.
Yeah.
He wants to have some very unique shirt to wear it in the wedding. He can really go for this pick, because it was a plain fabric. If you can see, it hasn't made with thread work,
So
fully
thread work
work.
also has been done.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes, fully handwork has been done. If you can see the threads, it has been made with hands. It's
Nice.
a really nice detail with French knots. It has been detailed with Kardana. This is whole Kardana silver.
Nice. All three stitchings have been done different.
Yes,
This one,
100%.
this is different, and this stitching is also different. Nice.
And if you'll see the fabric of the shirt as well, it is very nice and very elegant look, which you can get it done from
Nice.
Pitasha
Does
because
it come
we,
with the pants also?
yes,
Okay.
and it cost you around 9.5 the whole set. So yeah, if a men's want to get a customized formals or shirts or trousers, so they will be like, "Ki, where are the fabrics? We want to see some of the fabrics or the swatches or anything." So we are here, like we have some of the fabrics or swatches. One more thing I would like to get in addition, like if they have the fabric available with them, that is also fine. We can get it stitched and give it to them. So this is one thing. So this is how we show to the clients. These are the swatches in whites or in solids, or if there is any specific things that they want to say or they want the things to be done from us, we can go to the some of the vendors from us which are nearby to in Pune or in Mumbai or anything. We can get it collected and we can show it to them accordingly to their choices. So if you'll see, these are the things. And
Solid, printed, everything. Yep.
yeah, if you'll see, these are the plain solid ones. There are different textures in shirts as well. So we explain it according to the swatches. We explain every single detail what they want on the shirts. If they want to make some initial logos of their own on the shirt, we do that as well. So accordingly, whatever their wants are, we are here to fulfill it. These are some of the trousers swatches.
Yeah, getting a initial or something on the thing like a brooch, something that would be very
Yes,
good.
yes, 100%.
Customized.
So these are again the trousers. These are for the blazers, casual blazers or a formal blazer. Only if you want a blazer out of it. This is it. This is again for the blazers and the trousers. These are again for the trousers. If you'll see, there are different effects on the textures. Like different shirt materials, different shirt prints. These are again the prints. If you'll see, so sorry. In checks, somebody is like likely towards checks and all that stuff, so we can go for that. If somebody is looking for weddings, so we have some of the things for weddings as well. So yeah, if you'll see for some other functions for the groom or the siders for ethnic wear, we have some cuttings like this as well. If we want to see some more options, we can get it in 1 or 2 days and we can get it finalized from them. And for the trousers as well, if they want some similar like neutral colors trousers, so we have some swatches for that as well. If you'll see that we have a lot of multiple options in trousers. If they want some imported fabrics for the trousers and all, we have that available too. If you like the collection, the casual ones, the formal ones, the Indians, like everything what we have shown it to you right now, the ready to wear collection, if you like any of the thing, if you feel like you just want to visit it once, the studio is really open for you and every time it is going to be open for you. Yeah, one more thing, we are closed on Fridays, and every time, even if you want to get an appointment, we'll mention all of the details below the
Yeah, in the video,
in the
all
video and
everything
in
will
the
be
bio
mentioned.
as
Yeah.
well. So I would really love to see you in the studio while watching this video. And if you like this video, please do come. And I would love to see you here because we love to customize for the clients who are willing to get it by their own visions, by their own things. Ki I want to try. If you will at least try, I would say not for whole things, but at least if you'll try for once, you'll come again and again. That is for sure from my side.
So we have already shown you all the designs in this video. So if you like the designs and want to get a customized outfit, that is very unique in design and one of a kind outfit. So you should definitely visit Itasha by designer Moksha. So all the details have been put in the description below. The contact number would be running on the screen, so you can just message and get your appointment booked, and whatever any information more you want, you can just call them and ask them, and rest of the Instagram and address will be mentioned in the description below, so you can check that out also. Thank you.